Greetings. I hope this video finds you well, where I am trying to share with you an exciting automation project that I have developed. The project involves extracting data from a website, processing it as needed, and creating a summary report out of it. The best part is that you only have to click on a button and the program will do everything for you. This project may seem simple to use, but it involves a lot of complex coding in the back end. For security and privacy reasons, we have blurred out some portions of our screen. We hope you understand that. Let me show you how the project works. I have opened an Excel file, and when I click on this button, Send Mail, Full Auto, Excel will complete the whole process in 3 different steps. Step 1. Get data from desired website. Step 2. Process data as per requirements. Step 3. Send the summary report as attachment. Step 1. Excel will open a web browser, in this case Google Chrome, and go to our desired website. Since the website requires a login, Excel will sign into my account with my username and password. Then it will go to the link where the report is stored. This website generates reports based on some parameters. I have slowed down the video speed to show you what Excel is doing. As you can see, Excel is providing all the required data or parameters to the website. After that, Excel clicks on the search button. The website opens a new tab to show the report. Excel then switches to this new tab and downloads an Excel file. Please note that we are using Excel data because this site gives us the option to download data in Excel format. We could have also used the entire web page to get data. After downloading the data, Excel will automatically close the browser. Step 2. Excel will now process the data file so that it can generate the summary report from it. This is the most complex part of all, but you don't have to worry about anything. The program will handle it. Step 3. Once the data processing is complete, Excel will send the summary report to the desired recipients and close the main Excel file. Let's go to Outlook to see what happened after all of these steps. If we go to the outbox of Outlook, you can see that Outlook is sending an email. This will take only a couple of seconds. Here is the subject of the email. Event-wise TOD pending status from June 1, 2023 to July 15, 2023. As you can see, Outlook has already sent the email. Now let's go to the Sent Items folder. Here is our desired email with subject. Event-wise TOD pending status. We need to click on it to see it. You can customize the whole body as per your requirements. You can even add images to the email body. Now we are going to have a look at the Excel attachment. We want to open it. Here is the summary and an additional sheet. You can also customize it based on your requirements. This summary report was prepared by Pivot Table. You can even add charts, pivot charts, or even dashboards as you wish. We could have also sent this summary report as a PDF attachment. So here is the bottom line. You just need to open the main Excel file which contains the program and update your required parameters. Then click on the button and let the program do its magic. If you have a project like this, let's discuss and figure out how we can help you reduce your workload. For any help or suggestions, you can contact me anytime. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.